Attention, please. Attention, please. Learning time. Where are all my online students? Oh, yeah. Sit down and let's learn how come zigzag Gele Headwrap. Yes, this style is called how come. How come? How come? This style is called how come. And it's made of tiny rope. I can describe it as rope Gele. Many people ask me what is the name of the fabric. You can use any fabric to do this how come front zigzag. You can call it zigzag, you can call it how come. The main target is the front look so unique and different from other hairstyle of Gele we normally tie. This hairstyle front is what we call customized, and we give it to celebrants, only for celebrants, for her to look different. Focus. Let's start. Yes. Hello everyone. This is Tech Beauty. If today is your first time you come across my video on YouTube and Facebook, you are highly welcome. This is your best place for you if you like how to learn. If you are a woman that want to learn, because not all women that love learning. I repeat it. Not be all women like to learn. Yes, so we are going to do mixed color, 2-color zigzag. You can just focus your eye and see what I am doing there. All I need from you is open your eye very wide. Open your eye very wide. Don't come here and come and be looking at my model face. She's one of my students. She have already practiced a lot today. I just beg her to use her for this style. Yes, as you can see, the way I place the blue one first, then I now place the white one. Now we now notice at the back to protect the whole thing that we are going to do today. This place is what is going to protect everything. If you know you are a Gele artist, don't just learn only one style. There are some styles that you will show to your clients. You charge them extra so that you have idea of different hairstyle. Okay. You see the way I take it. Once you take from here, cover the ear, and the other part don't cover the ear. That is how you can achieve the zigzag at the front. Take from this side, you see, like this side now, I cover the ear. Then that side is going, and you take it to the back. Is it not behind? Yes, behind the ear. Because when you take it on top of what you already achieved, you cannot get that zigzag at the front. Yes, this blue one is coming. Yes, and you make sure the front side, you can see the shape is coming out. That is what we are going to do for the whole of the zigzag. This length require very long length. The white length is 150. The blue is 150. Even though it's SS later, you can just note it. My Gele, I just cut it because I'm going to use the rope. I cut it into two because I'm going to use 2 color. Yes, because I'm going to use 2 colors. You can see the zigzag is coming. You take from the ear, you take your hand you cross your hand when you get to the front. You cross your hand, take your hand to the back, let it go to the back. Then you tell your model to hold it for you. Then you take the other one until the zigzag appear like zigzag. You take from this side, and when you get to the front, you bend your hand you just cross your hand. So that is the secret. You take it straight. As you get to the middle, you see, just watch. You take your hand to the back. Make sure that front side is very appear like crossing. Yes, these guys, Yes, I want to use this opportunity to thank every one of you in case you are watching me from Facebook. The people that contributed, that support me during the time I posted a post that I need support. The people that support me, God will richly bless you all in the name of Jesus. Your pocket will never run dry. As you have supported this, my Facebook, in one way or the other, I ask for support. You answer me. The time of your need, people will rise up and support you. I will still make a video for appreciation. God will bless every one of you. The people that support me on Nigeria account and my UK account, God will bless you all in the name of Jesus. Many people write it on my comment section. This is not dig. This is not dig. This account is hacked. This is a scam. This is a scam. Auntie, please, it's not a scam. It's not a scam. It's real. All my video on my Facebook, because of the music I am using, I use music for all my video. So they give my Facebook violation. They are violate their policy. They give all my video copyrights. As you can see, since 2 weeks now, I use voice on top of my video. I use voice on top of my video because this video is going to YouTube, it's going to Facebook. These days, I don't use any music. I don't use sound. It's not fake. It's not, I don't know, because some people go to my comment section on my Facebook and be writing rubbish. It's a scam. Somebody want to hack. Because you don't want to give. If you want to really give, like many other people, they called me, they want to. My number is there. My number is on public. If you really like deck, this is my first time I'm asking for help. This is the first time I'm asking. I have been teaching you people more than 2 years now. Okay, this is just my first time. I'm asking that I need financial help, any amount, even though say na 1,000 naira, even though say na €5, even though say na £5, any amount. I said, this is the best time for you to say, okay, this woman, let me just support her for this small, with this little amount. Except deep down in you, you know to get money. You know to get money. If you don't have money, no problem. But the people that are going to my comment section and write, it's hacked, it's spam. I have blocked more than 30 people. I know that some people will say, even though you block me, not concern me. I know, but I have blocked more than 30 people on my Facebook because you don't deserve to see me when you go to my comment section and write rubbish. You don't deserve to see me. Not that I'm too special, but life, there are some way we do things. If you don't want to assist, it's not by force. And I have right to come and ask my follower, my lovers, you say you like me. Where is the like you like me? If I don't come out to come and say, support me, and the support you are going to support me, not that I want to use it to eat rice. I want to use it to work on my Facebook because the person that want to help me to fix many things on it, because the main reason is for the help is I want to create my song. To create song, and they say, I want to create my song. It's not the normal song. I want to create it so that I will have my song sound to be using on my videos. And the person that want to help me, I want to pay them. And I have paid different people before. So, guys, in case you never help, my account is still there on my Facebook. My bank account, Nigeria bank account is there. UK bank account is there. This is the best time. If you know you want to give me anything, nothing is too small, nothing is too big. Don't stop doing stingy auntie or stingy sister. So, in case you are still thinking it's not deck, it's fake, the hack, it's not real, it's real. It's because you are just stingy, you don't want to help. Me, this early morning, I come out to my bedroom to do voice on top of my video editing because I don't want my children, their noise, to disturb my video, disturb the sound. If I have my signature sound now, everything's really easy for me. Like this part of this Gele I'm doing now, I don't need to explain because the main reason for this video is the front zigzag outcome, how to create it, which you use any type of rope. Even though say not be ashoke, you can use any type of rope. Let that rope long. Then just the way I demonstrate it, do it like that, you can achieve it. Yes, I'm still learning, guys, because some people will still go to my comment section and be saying I don't know how to tie gele. Me, I say it always on my platform that I'm still learning. One woman promised me that she would teach me how to tie this gele. Up till now, I never see the woman. She just come to my platform and write rubbish there that you don't know how to tie gele. This tie, she know how to tie it more than me. She will teach me for free. I call her, I beg her, please teach me. Till now, I dey wait for the woman. You not teach me. So the little one I know, my knowledge, I know, I bring it to my people. So guys, try and learn and try and appreciate anything I bring here. Yes, so God will bless every one of you that support me with your finance. That support me with your finance. Nothing, I repeat it, nothing is too big. Giver is a giver. Even to say you did Nigeria, you did anywhere you did. If you know, say, what is 1,000 naira? This thing I'm doing now, there is a reason for it. I just want to see the people that I have. Okay, another information I have on my Facebook now. Facebook, they have opened my star session. Okay, if you want to give me star, I don't ask for star of emoji. So people, they are giving me star of emoji. No, it's not star of emoji. Use your bank account to give me star. If you want to give me star, like till it's like you can give me one euro, 2 euro, 5 euro. Any amount of star is there. Use your bank account to give me star, not star of emoji. Now our Facebook now have star. So if Facebook give you star, you see that your Facebook is qualified to take star. It's for your supporters to support you, to give you star any amount. Yes, use your bank account. Don't give me emoji of star. Click that yellow star. It will direct you. You put your bank account or PayPal, anyone, to just support this my page with star. That is it, guys. God will bless you as you have the heart to be happy. Okay? That is one of the beauty of a woman that knows how to help. God said, be a helper. Help and fulfill your destiny. Thank you. This is the final. Yes, so as you can see, the front is different from what we have been achieving. Yes, so contact me for your event. I'm available to travel. I am all in one beauty. Makeup, gele, different hairstyle, and we do traditional bridal hair, okuku. We sell makeup, product, oil, perfume. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.